What's up, you guys? My name is Larry Thomas. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about videography and photography. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so at this time. I would truly appreciate it, you guys. If you can like this video at the end, I will truly appreciate that as well. Alright, today we'll be talking about how to add color correction to have the same color correction throughout your clips and stuff like that. Alright, so let's get right into it. So I already have Imovie already set up, you guys. So I have my clip I want to drag here. So just drag it here, and I'm just going to expand it here. So I'm going to act like this is two clips. So I'm going to split this clip. So just say I color correct this one, and I wanted to, it to go on to that one as well. So I would color correct it, go up here to color correct it, and do mid-tone or whatever the case may be. And you see this one is color correcting that one. Well, this one is, I added color or whatever, how I wanted to do it. And this one is not. So what you do is just copy, and you go up here and you paste click that one, then you paste adjustments to wherever you want it, to add. So copy it, paste color correction, and you see it go to the same thing. Where it don't have, so everything will be the same throughout your video, the case may be. And that's how you have a consistency of color correction, you feel me? And I just learned that not too long ago, so I thank God I was able to learn that, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But that's how you color correct, have a consistent color correct on iMovie, you guys. All right, you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so at this time, you guys. All right, if you can give the video a thumbs up, if this helped you guys, please give a thumb up. All right, you guys, until next time, if you want me to talk about anything else, how to show you how to edit anything else, please drop it in the comments, you guys, and I will surely, show you guys if I know how to do it, I will definitely show you guys. If I don't know how to do it, I try to learn it and then come on here, and drop a video about it. All right, you guys, until next time, again, my name is Larry Thomas. Until next time, peace.